Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make your text longer using the Journal app and its built-in AI function. So just find your text or write a new one and click on this AI button where you can find this Make Longer option. Tap on it and wait a few seconds. Here is the extended version of my text. I can even edit it or copy it. We can also regenerate it if we do not like it, and then we can add it to the page. If we are satisfied, you can see that it's longer than the previous one. I hope it will be useful for you and have a nice day.